Now we're going to talk about one strategy in which this is a swing trading strategy basically, and in this I only use one indicator, which is volume, and we are trying to take an entry once the triangle breakout happens. So in this strategy we have two things. The first is the volume, and the second thing is the pattern, the chart pattern, triangle chart pattern. And we're looking for stocks to take a bullish entry. So let me show you some examples. The first example that I'm showing you is Moltech Technologies. So the first step that we want is that the stock has gone up pretty quickly. So you can see here that the stock has gone from almost 100 levels right all the way till 160 levels. That's the first step. And during that same time, you will notice that the volume has gone up significantly high. So once we see that we are not entering it right now, then the second step comes where we are looking for some kind of a consolidation happening. So if you see here, these next few days there is a clear consolidation. The stock is not moving up, it's basically sideways. And very importantly, during the same time, you will notice that the volume is really low. The volume is really low. So this is telling us that yes, the consolidation is happening, and it is possible that we can get a good second round of upward movement. So what do we do now? When the stock is doing the consolidation, all you have to do is make a triangle. So what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to connect all the closing prices and the opening prices of the stock, and this is how the triangle looks like. And now we are looking for a candle which breaks this triangle. So as you can clearly see, this big green candle broke the triangle. So this is where we could have taken the buying entry, a long entry. And during the same time, if we also see a good volume, it is a double confirmation, and this is where we can go for a buying trade. So this is our first buying trade. Okay, using the same concept, actually in this stock we could have done pyramiding as well. So what is pyramiding? Pyramiding is basically adding on to our positions. So as you can see here, after we've taken the entry, again there is a consolidation at the top, and again the volumes have come down. So we'll try to make a triangle again, and again we have got a second entry now on this green candle, and we can keep riding the trend. So this is how we can keep taking entries. Again, this is a swing trading strategy. We're doing it on a daily time frame, and we are looking for stocks first which have gone up considerably with a good volume. Then a consolidation is happening and the volume is decreasing, and then we are looking for a triangle breakout. So let's see some more examples. This time I'm showing you Blue Star. So if you see here, the stock has gone up really quickly, again from 1200 levels to almost 1400 levels in a matter of few days. That's almost 15 to 20% rise in just 4 or 5 days. So that's the first thing done. And during the same time, we can see that the volume has gone up. So our first condition is met. Then we can see a clear consolidation happening. So a clear consolidation and a triangle pattern being formed. And during the same time, we can see that the volume has gone very low. So our second condition is also true. Now we are looking for a candle which breaks this triangle. So this is where we can take a buying entry around 1380 levels, and the stock is already at 1460 levels. So almost a rise of 5 to 6% in only 5 to 6 days. Let me show you a few more examples. This time I'm showing you Jindal Stainless. In this, actually, again we are getting the opportunity to do pyramiding. So let me show you. You can see here that the stock has gone up considerably high from here. So almost from 120 levels, it has gone to 180 levels. So that's almost 50% rise. And we also see a good green candle. After that, there is a consolidation and a triangle pattern being formed. So a triangle pattern is being formed here. And during the same time, we can clearly see that the volumes are very low. So we are again looking for a breakout candle which breaks this candle. And we've got a breakout candle here, which is a gap up candle. Again, a gap up candle acts as a breakout candle, obviously. So we can take the entry at the closing price here. So this is my buying price around 175 levels, and we can see that the stock has gone up after that very high. Why I'm saying to you that we have an option for pyramiding, because if you see here, from here to here, almost till here, the stock kept going up, and finally we got a good green candle. So this was a good green candle, and after that the volumes came down as well. That means we are looking for a triangle pattern. This is where we got the triangle pattern, and could have taken the second entry now. So we could have taken a second entry here because it has broken the triangle, and again the stock keeps going up. So as you can see, this is a strategy in which you'll get very good entries because the volume is giving you a confirmation that yes, more buying pressure is expected to come. Let's take one last example. This time I'm showing you on Univ cables. What we are looking for is here. You can see stock went up pretty quickly and there was decent volume. After that, again there was a triangle formation with low volumes, and we could have taken an entry here around 250 levels, and the stock went up almost 350 levels. That's 40% returns in a matter of maybe 2 months. So a good strategy you can try out.